Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to rank up your mastery in Warframe. Mastery rank measures your overall progress in Warframe and unlocks new weapons, gear, and missions. The basic way to earn mastery points is by completing missions for the first time. Go to your navigation, open your star chart, and look for missions that are glowing blue. Finishing them rewards mastery XP, and keep in mind that the XP amount can vary per mission. A more consistent method is to level up your equipment. Leveling up Warframes, weapons, and other gear for the first time grants mastery XP. Duplicate gear will not provide XP, but different variants of the same weapon can still count. Once you have earned enough mastery points, your profile will show an orange pulse indicating that a mastery test is available. Complete this test to achieve your next mastery rank. And once you have earned enough mastery points, your profile will show an orange pulse indicating that a mastery test is available. Complete this test to achieve your next mastery rank. And that's it. We covered two primary ways to rank up mastery, which are completing missions for the first time and leveling up new equipment, and how to unlock the mastery test to gain a new rank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.